In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings on the Samson PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Samson game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. If you wish to change your control within your game, just press the escape button to pause. And now go into options. Within the options page, you can now go into controls. And now you will see the various different controls that you can change. You can clear the already assigned buttons by clicking on the clear button at the right side, or you can assign up to 2 different buttons for the same task. In order to assign a secondary button, click on the None option, and when you are prompted to press your key, you can press your desired button. In order to change your already assigned button, you can click on the button that has been assigned, and once again when prompted, press your desired new key. You can customize all of the controls based on your desire from this page. Once you are done, make sure to save your changes by clicking on Confirm or pressing the spacebar. You can also find various settings for your gamepad or your controller. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Samson game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.